Join me as I dive into some wild financing strategies to see if I can really rake in the cash. When it comes to building a successful business, having a solid financing strategy in place is crucial. Not only can it help you to maximize profits, but it can also be the difference between sustaining your business and shutting down. In today's video, we're going to explore some unconventional financing strategies that can help you to rake in the cash and take your business to the next level. So what are some of the common challenges entrepreneurs face when seeking funding and managing cash flow effectively? Well, for starters, many businesses struggle to access traditional funding sources like loans and investments. This can be due to a lack of credit, limited financial history, or simply because they're operating in a high-risk industry. Another major challenge entrepreneurs face is cash flow management. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of landing a big sale or client, but if you're not managing your cash flow properly, you can quickly find yourself in a financial bind. And finally, entrepreneurs often struggle to balance their personal and business finances, leading to confusion and financial strain. Managing cash flow is critical because it directly affects your ability to pay bills, meet payroll, and invest in growth opportunities. Without a clear understanding of your cash inflows and outflows, you can quickly find yourself in a financial crisis. And if you're relying on personal savings or loans from friends and family to keep your business afloat, you're not only putting a relationship at risk, but also limiting your business's potential for growth. Another major challenge entrepreneurs face is the emotional roller coaster that comes with seeking funding. It's not uncommon for business owners to take rejection personally or to feel like they're not good enough if their funding applications are denied. But the truth is, funding is a numbers game, and every no brings you closer to the yes you need. Entrepreneurs also often struggle to differentiate between good debt and bad debt. While taking on debt can be a necessary part of growing a business, it's essential to understand the terms of your loans and to make sure you are not over-leveraging your business. So what are some of the financing strategies that can help you overcome these challenges? One approach is bootstrapping, where you rely on your own savings and revenue to fund your business. This approach requires discipline and patience, but it can also help you maintain control and avoid debt. Another option is crowdfunding, where you raise small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically through online platforms. This approach can be great for testing new products or services and for building a community around your brand. You can also explore traditional loan options such as SBO loans or term loans, which can provide a lump sum of cash to invest in growth opportunities. And finally, you might consider alternative financing options, such as invoice financing or merchant cash advances, which can provide quick access to cash in exchange for a percentage of your sales. One business that successfully leveraged a unique financing strategy is Warby Parker, the eyeglass company. When Warby Parker first launched, they struggled to secure funding from traditional sources, so they turned to crowdfunding. Through a series of successful campaigns, they were able to raise the capital they needed to scale their business, and today they're a household name. Warby Parker's experience highlights the importance of being flexible and adaptable when it comes to financing. By thinking outside the box and exploring unconventional funding sources, they were able to overcome the challenges they faced and achieve remarkable growth. Another key takeaway from Warby Parker's story is the importance of having a clear vision and mission. When you're clear about what you're trying to achieve, it's easier to make decisions about financing and investments and to stay focused on your goals. One of the most important lessons we can learn from Warby Parker's experience is the power of innovation and creativity when it comes to financing. By thinking creatively and exploring new financing options, you can overcome the challenges that might be holding you back and achieve remarkable growth. In conclusion, having a solid financing strategy in place is critical to building a successful business. By understanding the common challenges entrepreneurs face, exploring unconventional financing options, and staying flexible and adaptable, you can overcome the obstacles that stand between you and financial success. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you had any experiences with financing strategies that have worked or haven't worked out for you, then I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and advice on managing your finances as an entrepreneur, be sure to check out my next video on budgeting tips for entrepreneurs. See you in the next one. If you want to discuss anything, any aspect of what we've discussed today about financing strategies, then do not hesitate to call me on 07539 141257. That's +44 7539 141257 from outside the UK, or 0333 224 1257, +44 333 224 1257 from outside the UK. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.